Hi folks, Pryor here. Today I have a Bowley lock. You can see the bitting right there. It's not too bad. All pins do have to be picked. Lock works great. There we go. Cam turns. Cam turns. Pull the key out. Now I made a pick set based on Chris Ahrens' design. It's a 5-piece set. It's a little tree, a little pick tree, and a tension tool. Now, as I'm sure you can imagine, the only thing wrong with this is it's a little tight getting it in there and working it around. It does work. It works pretty good, but it's just getting it around so that I can get to the pins. Just gotta play with it a little bit. There we go. Alright, tension tool is in. Alright, let's see if I could get this picked again. Got it picked once on camera, but then I screwed up a little bit with it. I just want to get it picked on camera to prove that Chris Ahrens' design works. And see, that's the problem with it. It gets jammed up like that. There we go. Got it picked. Not too tough to pick. Hopefully you can see that cam turning there. There we go. Alright, now another issue is getting these back out, which basically you gotta get all the pins back up above that sleeve. I'm not sure if that number 4 pin actually came into play or not, but I'm pretty sure that with these picks, once they're refined a little bit, because they're a little tough to use right now, got to be refined a bit, and getting them back out is a pain because you got to basically repick everything to the top of the sleeve. So, because if you don't, if you just pull the pins out at the picks out when they're turned 180, you can't get the key back in there. Which, if I fight too long with this, I'm just gonna gut it from the top and I'll be able to pull the picks out after, which is what I think I'm gonna do here. I'm not gonna fight too long with this thing. Just nice to know that you can get the picks out without having to gut it. Can be done, you just gotta fight with it. Picks need to be refined a little bit, but the Bowley lock can be picked fairly quickly. Come on, get out. There we go. Alrighty, let's get this thing gutted. Start by taking the actuator off. Got the actuator pin and spring. Then we'll get the pins out. I'm going to pull all the springs off first because they tend to go airborne on me. And then I'll dump the pin stacks out one by one. As you can see, you got 5 springs in there. Now Bowley counts these backwards, so pin 1 is here and pin 5 is at the face of the lock. I'll dump 5 out first. 5, 4, 3. Where's 3? No, 3 didn't come out. Alright, so I only had 2 security pins in here. I'll show you the pinning here. I have a spool in 4 and serrated in 5. And then 3 standard. 1, 2, and 3 were standard. And pliers. Spring clip off without launching it. There we go, nothing modified in there. And the sleeve is unmodified. And the core, or Bible, or core, I guess. Unmodified also. Alright, there you go, folks. 1 Bowley lock, picked and gutted. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.